Welcome to USA Convo. This lesson is open to all learners. However, the content is designed for A2 English speakers. In this lesson, you'll learn how to talk about bike riding and the road in English. We will learn useful words and phrases together. Then we will practice speaking one step at a time. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to do three things. You will talk about riding a bike, describe parts of the road, agree or disagree with simple opinions. To succeed in this lesson, do not just watch. This is your time to practice. Speak out loud with me. Say every word you see and hear. This lesson will help you improve, but you must use your voice. So let us speak together. As a reminder, you can pause this video at any time if you need more time to practice. Take your time, say the words slowly and clearly. You can also replay the video as many times as you want. So practice again and again. This will help you improve your speaking. Now let us learn new vocabulary words. Listen to each word carefully. Repeat each word after me. Speak out loud every time. Listen, bike lane. Now say it with me, bike lane. Repeat again, bike lane. A bike lane is part of the road for bicycles. Listen, helmet. Now say it with me, helmet. Repeat again, helmet. A helmet is a hard hat for safety. Listen, traffic light. Now say it with me, traffic light. Repeat again, traffic light. A traffic light controls cars on the road. Listen, crosswalk. Now say it with me, crosswalk. Repeat again, crosswalk. Crosswalk is a place where people walk across the street. Listen, turn left. Now say it with me, turn left. Now repeat again, turn left. To turn left means to move your direction to the left. Listen, stop sign. Now say it with me, stop sign. Repeat again, stop sign. A stop sign is a sign that tells you to stop. Listen, ride safely. Now say it with me, ride safely. Repeat again, ride safely. To ride safely means to ride in a careful way. Let us practice listening and speaking. Listen carefully to each sentence, then repeat after me. Say each sentence out loud. Listen, I ride in the bike lane. Now say it with me. I ride in the bike lane. Repeat again. I ride in the bike lane. Listen, I wear a helmet. Now say it with me. I wear a helmet. Repeat again. I wear a helmet. Listen, the traffic light is red. Now say it with me. The traffic light is red. Repeat again. The traffic light is red. Listen, I stop at the crosswalk. Now say it with me. I stop at the crosswalk. Repeat again. I stop at the crosswalk. Listen. I turn left here. Now say it with me. I turn left here. Repeat again. I turned left here. Listen. I stop at the stop sign. Now say it with me. I stop at the stop sign. Repeat again. I stop at the stop sign. Listen. I ride safely on the road. Now say it with me. I ride safely on the road. Now repeat after me. I ride safely on the road. Now let us practice speaking with support. You will see a sentence with a missing word. First, read the sentence. Then, choose the correct word. Think carefully. Now, say your word out loud. Next, say the full sentence out loud. Speak clearly and use your voice. So let's begin. Look at the sentence. I ride in the blank. Is it bike lane? Is it helmet? Is it crosswalk? Choose the correct word, pause, and say the answer out loud. The correct answer is bike lane. Now let's say the full sentence out loud. I ride in the bike lane. I wear a blank. Now let's look at the options. Is it traffic light? Is it helmet? Is it road? Choose the correct word, pause, and say your answer out loud. The correct answer is helmet. Now say the full sentence. I wear a helmet. The blank is green. Now let's look at the options. Is it helmet? Is it traffic light? Is it bike? Choose the correct word. Pause if you need to, then say your answer out loud. The correct answer is traffic light. Now say the full sentence. The traffic light is green. I stop at the blank. Let's look at the options. Is it crosswalk? Is it bike lane? Is it helmet? Think about the answers and then select the right word. The correct answer is crosswalk. Now say the full sentence. I stop at the crosswalk. I blank left. Let's look at the options. Is it ride? Is it turn? Is it where? Choose the correct word. The correct answer is turn. So let's say the full sentence out loud. I turn left. Now let us practice a controlled conversation. Listen carefully, then repeat after me. You'll speak both parts out loud. This will help you practice a full conversation. Let us begin. Listen. Do you ride in the bike lane? Now say it with me. Do you ride in the bike lane? Listen. Yes, I ride in the bike lane. Now say it with me. Yes, I ride in the bike lane. Now say the full conversation out loud. Do you ride in the bike lane? Yes, I ride in the bike lane. Listen. Do you wear a helmet? Now say it with me. Do you wear a helmet? Listen. Yes, I wear a helmet. Now say it with me. Yes, I wear a helmet. Now let's say the full conversation out loud. Do you wear a helmet? Yes, I wear a helmet. Listen. Do you stop at the stop sign? Now say it with me. Do you stop at the stop sign? Listen. Yes, I stop at the stop sign. Now say it with me. Yes, I stop at the stop sign. Now say the full conversation out loud. Do you stop at the stop sign? Yes, I stop at the stop sign. Let us build longer sentences. First, we will start with a short sentence. Then we'll add more words step by step. Say each word out loud. Take your time. Let's begin. Step 1. Listen. I ride. Now pause and say it out loud. I ride. Step 2. Listen. I ride in the bike lane. Now pause and say it out loud. I ride in the bike lane. Step 3. Listen. I ride in the bike lane and wear a helmet. Now pause and say it out loud. I ride in the bike lane and wear a helmet. Listen. I ride in the bike lane and wear a helmet and stop at a traffic light. Now pause and say it out loud. I ride in the bike lane and wear a helmet and stop at the traffic light. Great work. You finished the lesson. You practiced speaking English today. You learned a few words for bike riding and the road. You also practice on how to agree and disagree. Keep practicing to improve your speaking. Speak out loud every time you practice. The more you speak, the better you'll get.